Hi, so today a lot of people ask us, how do I get a green tick mark on my WhatsApp? So today we'll tell you three things that are absolutely necessary for you to actually get a green tick mark on your WhatsApp. So firstly, green tick mark is actually only given to WhatsApp API accounts. It's not given to normal WhatsApp numbers who are generally using WhatsApp web or WhatsApp mobile application. So you need to have a WhatsApp API account to actually get a green tick. The second thing that you need to get a green tick is actually a good search engine optimization. So essentially, when your brand name is searched on Google, you should appear in the top 3-4 results of that particular search query. So that shows what's your brand visibility on Google or any popular search engine such as Bing or anything else. That shows how visible your brand is on the internet. And the third and probably the most important thing is that you need to have been featured by at least 3 PR news articles that in some way calibrate whether you are credible for the green tick mark or not. These three PR articles can be local to your country. For example, in India, it could be 3 local news channels, and in the US or in some other country, there could be local news channels or news reports that could feature you as a domain authority in your particular domain. So these are 3 things. If you have them, you can apply for the green tick mark or reach out to us and we can help you. Thank you. I hope this was helpful.